Oh, this is Mr. McMurray, and just going over the specific heat of water, which I'm a little late on, but we're getting that done. Not a whole lot to this one, but it's a good idea showing how to we calculate the specific heat of water. But basically, you're going to put a beaker full of water, heat it up. They have a little heater thing in here uh, behind that, and as you can see, the only tool that you'll need will be the clock. So a couple things. One, they show you the mass of the beaker. Make sure you subtract that from the beaker and the water to get just the mass of the um, water. Okay, and then also you need to make sure when you do the timer, click on the tool thing up here, and I'll give you the timer. Once it gets going, you could reset it to 0, and then measure how long it takes. Now, keep in mind the time here is in minutes. So you're going to need to multiply that by 60 to get it into seconds, because down here in your formula, the specific heat, which is C, is equal to the energy. Well, the energy is 25 watts or 25 joules per second. Okay, so to get the energy that gets there, you need to multiply that by the number of seconds. All right, so make sure you change your time to seconds and multiply by that, and that will give you Q. The mass would be the mass of the water and the beaker minus the mass of the beaker, which will give you the mass of the water, and then times how much the temperature has changed, which you'll read on the readout here. Okay, plug those in, calculate it, and once you get your answer, it wants to know if it's higher or lower, and then basically why do you think that might have happened, and so forth and so on. Okay, so that's basically very good. That's what this experiment is. Just for the record, you can also do a thing where you calculate the change in temperature. You can heat up a piece of metal at a very hot temperature, drop it in the water, and based on knowing the specific heat of water and knowing how much the water's temperature changed, you can actually calculate how hot the metal was to begin with. But that's a whole different deal, and we're not doing that this time. Okay, so finish that, get it turned in, and hope you have a great day.